purchased this end table online, but it was teal color, and it's not really color I wanted. So I want to go with like white colors, and so I decided to chalk paint this. So I got this Rustoleum Chalk paint with ultra matte pink Clifton cream. This is the first one I bought. Chalk paint and the Rustoleum brand. Like I said, I had used it's in the Amazon called Renaissance. That's the brand, but that one is a little bit expensive. So this Rustoleum a little bit cheaper, and so I kind of like want to test out how this one looks. So this is my first coat. You still can see the teal color underneath it. I will try the second coat.